Hi everyone, welcome to the Ecology and Natural History of the Sonoran Desert. I'm here to give you an overview of this Canvas course dashboard so you can get really comfortable with navigating and getting started with this online experience. So here we are on the home page, and you can see we're here on the home page, and here you're going to see the instructor welcome. You're going to see on the right, you're going to see here how to get started with the course, various things that are coming up in the form of a to-do list. So that's all listed there. To the left here, you're going to see different tabs and pages that you can go to. So you'll see here the announcement page. Here is where you'll be able to access the syllabus, so be sure to read this before the class begins, as well as the tentative course catalog, which contains all the due dates and major assigned activities. And then you're going to see here is where you access all the course materials. So here are the modules. And so you've got your welcome, you've got your major assignments, you've got some labs, and then down below you're going to see all the modules with the module topics, the module overviews, and all the assignments embedded right in the modules. So additionally, it's also really useful to know how to access the course calendar, because here you're going to see all the assignments, you're going to see the due dates, and so the calendar view is really helpful as well. And so that is a brief overview of the Canvas experience